Hey guys, so it's been a hot minute since I actually made anything, and I've been wanting to start on a bigger project for a little while now, but I've been putting it off. We're gonna put a stop to that today. I don't have much of a plan going into this. I'm thinking I just want to freehand this entire project, but I do want to talk you guys through what my ideas are and what I actually want the finished product to look like, because you can't freehand something if you don't know where you're going, right? So the idea for this project is that I'd like to make an extremely cropped cardigan, kind of like sleeves or a bolero, but with a button closure at the front, and I want to make it 3/4 sleeve length. Believe it or not, I actually cleaned up my desk this morning, but there's still a pile of scraps over in the corner, so just ignore that. These are the colors that I picked out. A lot of this yarn is secondhand, but some of it was bought new for other projects. I haven't bought anything new for this project specifically, and I think I want to keep it that way. So quick little update, I just took a break to have lunch and have a cigarette, and this is how much I've gotten done so far. It's not very much, but I'm thinking the back panel needs to be twice as wide as this, possibly even wider. So I'm gonna keep crocheting. When I'm done, I'll update you guys on how it's looking.
Hello.
Hey you! Oh. You can see it a little bit.
Captures, yeah.
Oscar and I just got back from the gym and we're gonna head over to the university to get some work done. Last night I finished the back panel and I started on the 2 front panels. Today I'm gonna keep working on the 2 front panels and hopefully start on the sleeve. Good morning guys. Yesterday I finished the 2 front panels and I started knitting the ribbing. I actually got a bit of knitting done during Danish class. It's 9 a.m. now, so my plan is to knit and crochet the entire day, and hopefully by the end of it I'll have maybe 1 sleeve finished. Maybe that's a little ambitious, but that's my goal. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say for now, so I should probably show you guys my progress. So this is what I've got right now. I've already gone ahead and joined at the underarms and the shoulders. I've picked up stitches all the way around the bottom and the inside of the front 2 panels, and I'm probably just gonna knit rib for a little bit. I want to put in a buttonhole here, so I'll do that with the knitting as well. And then when I'm done, I'm just gonna cast off and get started on the sleeves. It's 1 now, and this is what I've got. I'm really happy with the way it's looking so far. I'm still trying to decide what color I want to do for the sleeves. I'm tossing up between this and the brown, and I did consider the cream as well, but I'm thinking that maybe it would be too stark of a difference. I also don't wear that much white, so I don't know. Yeah, anyway. It'll be either of these 2 unless I can find something else in my stash. So I just had a look in my stash and I found this maroon, and I'm thinking maybe maroon for the sleeves would look really nice because there's a little bit of purple maroon sort of coloring here. And yeah, I don't know, I think it would look nice, but I haven't quite decided, so I'm gonna have lunch and then I'll come back and get to work. I think I want a 3/4 sleeve for this, so I'm gonna go ahead and start crocheting directly into the armhole until I get the right length. And I'm just gonna sit on the couch and try and get as much crocheting done as I can before Oscar comes home. It's starting to get dark now, and I'm actually heading down to the supermarket now to meet up with Oscar so that we can buy stuff for dinner. But I think I've crocheted and then unraveled this project like 4 times at this point, and I'm just feeling kind of stuck. This is what I have right now. Hopefully after dinner I'll be able to get a little bit more done. So yesterday I had quite a bit of trouble deciding how I wanted to go about making the sleeve. I crocheted a bunch and then I frogged a bunch, and I did that like 4 times. But after dinner I picked it back up again and I managed to crochet most of one of the sleeves. This is what it's looking like. I did a couple rows of green and then blue and then the brown, and it's looking pretty good. I do wish that the yarn I was using for the sleeve had better drape, but this is actually the first yarn I bought when I started learning how to crochet back in New Zealand. It's like not the best yarn. It's kind of scratchy and it's a little bit stiff. So I'm just going to use it for this project, mostly because I don't have anything else that I could use in place of it. The yarn I've been using for this project is pretty limited because I've been using a bunch of different stuff from my stash. And honestly, I wish I had more of the blue to use for the sleeve, but I'm just gonna go with the brown. I think it'll be fine. So I think I've just finished the sleeve. I'm not sure whether I want to knit a cuff. I've been thinking about it, and I think it might be nice to have it a little bit more cinched. But I'm gonna do the other sleeve first, and then I'll take a look at both of them and decide. I guess a big part of it is whether I have enough time to knit cuffs. Hi guys. So the last time you guys saw me, I had only finished one of the sleeves. That was yesterday morning. I actually managed to finish both sleeves by yesterday afternoon. I hadn't added any of the finishing touches to it, but I wore it out anyway. I didn't get any compliments, but Oscar said I looked good, and I felt like I looked good. So I think it was a success. I'm really happy with the shaping in the front here and how the ribbing or button band came out. I think it looks really great. And I added these little ruffles on just now, and a sari silk yarn tie here just to cinch it in a little bit. And yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making this project. As always, I would really appreciate it if you left a like or a comment on this video, and subscribe if you like, because apparently a lot of you guys are not subscribed. And if you'd like to see more pictures of this project and other projects I've made in the past, you can head over to my Instagram at jinmadethis. Have a good week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!